Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to make money by posting clips that are already edited, and they are basically very easy to go viral with and you will be able to make money. Before you do this, you have to join Clipster, which is basically the biggest platform for clippers to make money on. They have people like Lizzo, Aiden Ross, even Kendrick Lamar, and basically they have new people come in. They had KSI, they had DDG, they had Neon, they had all types of people that you can clip for, and this doesn't cost a single dollar to do. Now I will show you what I mean by posting without editing. Now also, like I said, the link will be in the description to join Clipster, and also the link to join the Discord server will be down below as well. So in the Discord you will see new campaigns announced and you will be up to date always. Now let's go to one of them and I will show you how to get clips that you don't need to edit. So now this is Ty $$ x Aiden Ross. So yeah, I will show you how to do this. Basically this campaign is to clip Ty $$ with Aiden Ross stream. So now this is what I mean by not editing. You go to TikTok and you type in Aiden Ross Ty $, and you can see a whole bunch of clips. Now you basically find the videos that have the most views on TikTok, you can download them and then post them on Instagram. Now just because they are viral already on TikTok, that means this video has the potential to go viral on Instagram as well. So all you need to do is just simply download the videos from TikTok and post on Instagram, and then you just click submit right here and you submit the URL that you just posted. You can do this with any of the campaigns. Let's check the Lizzo campaign, clip Lizzo's newest Twitch stream. So you just type in Lizzo stream, and this is her stream. This has 68k likes, or this has 150k likes. So yeah, you basically just repost this on Instagram and you submit it right here and you will get paid for the views. So yeah, it's simple as that. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes every single day and you can make a whole bunch of money. So the links will be down below. Good luck.